reveal the miraculous health benefits of often overlooked seeds, namely sesame seeds. Having immersed myself in years of dedicated research and specialization in nutrition, I've unearthed the profound impact that even a modest pinch of fennel seeds can set in motion within our bodies. The response from my audience has been overwhelming, and I am cognizant that a significant portion of my viewers consists of older individuals seeking health insights tailored to our golden years. To my dear friends and followers, your patience and shared commitment to health improvement resonate deeply with me. I urge you to stay with me until the culmination of this discourse. Now, let's delve into the transformative power of fennel seeds, particularly as a post-meal ritual. Picture this, that familiar sensation of being uncomfortably full, akin to having ingested a balloon after a hearty meal. Fennel seeds step in as a considerate friend. Adept at alleviating discomfort, chewing on these seeds becomes a catalyst for improved digestion, offering respite from bloating and gas. It's as though they're engaging in a gentle conversation with your stomach, encouraging it to get moving and find an equilibrium. But there's more to the story. For those vigilant about their blood sugar levels, fennel seeds emerge as unsung heroes. Their properties act as stabilizers, making them a smart and wholesome snack choice. It's akin to a reassuring voice whispering to your blood sugar, "Easy there, let's keep things nice and steady." Transitioning from the realm of digestion and blood sugar regulation, let's explore the soothing qualities of fennel seeds for persistent sore throats. Have you ever grappled with a stubborn sore throat that seems impervious to conventional remedies? Enter fennel seeds, akin to a caring companion for your throat. Brewing a cup of tea infused with these magical seeds creates a warm, soothing embrace, bidding farewell to coughs and irritation. Moving on to their role as a breath freshener extraordinaire, fennel seeds present themselves as a superior alternative to your regular mint. A mere pinch, chewed thoughtfully, can naturally freshen your breath, leaving behind a delightful licorice-like aroma. It's reminiscent of having a heart-to-heart chat with a friend who always has a mint at the ready, ensuring you exude freshness effortlessly. Surprisingly, the benefits extend to the realm of eye health. Yes, you read it right. A pinch of fennel seeds could be the secret ingredient your eyes have been yearning for. Packed with nutrients supporting eye health, they may help reduce inflammation, offering your vision a gentle boost of care. As we revel in the multitude of benefits fennel seeds bring, it's imperative to address a critical aspect. I am committed to sharing not only the positives, but also the need for caution, especially for individuals with specific health conditions. In the latter part of our journey, I will delve into why certain individuals should exercise caution or, in some cases, avoid the incorporation of fennel seeds into their wellness routines. In essence, the story of fennel seeds is not just about their significant benefits. It's a tale of holistic well-being. If you've found resonance with the insights shared so far, I encourage you to stay tuned for the next installment, where we'll navigate through the nuanced considerations for specific health conditions. Your engagement and commitment to your health journey are invaluable, and I look forward to guiding you through every step of this enlightening expedition as we continue our exploration into the manifold benefits of fennel seeds. Let's unravel the next chapters of their health-boosting saga, unveiling facets that transcend the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary. Imagine those days when you feel bloated and puffy, as if your body is carrying an unwanted burden. Fennel seeds emerge as nature's gentle solution, a natural diuretic that facilitates the release of excess fluids, providing much-needed relief from swelling. It's akin to pressing a reset button, an instantaneous transformation that leaves you feeling lighter and more at ease, as though shedding the weight of the day's stresses. Beyond their role as a diuretic, fennel seeds emerge as unsung heroes for your immune health. Laden with essential vitamins and minerals, they form a natural defense team, fortifying your body against the onslaught of colds and infections. Think of them as your guardians, tirelessly working to keep you healthy and robust, ready to face whatever challenges come your way. However, as we navigate through these remarkable benefits, it becomes imperative to shift our focus to three specific groups of individuals who should approach fennel seeds with caution or In certain cases, consider avoiding them altogether. First and foremost, if you harbor allergies to carrots, celery, or anything within the Apiaceae family, fennel seeds might not be the ideal companion for your wellness journey. Similar allergic reactions could be triggered, necessitating a mindful approach to ensure your health remains uncompromised. Next in line are individuals with health conditions sensitive to hormones, such as certain types of cancers. Here, treading lightly with fennel seeds is advisable, as they possess estrogen-mimicking properties that might not harmonize well with such conditions. It's akin to inviting a disruptive guest into your home, potentially complicating an already delicate situation. Grains contain fats and oils that aid in food digestion and improve liver function. Grains are commonly used to cleanse the blood vessels, a product that removes toxins from the body and enhances blood composition. For all these reasons, for diabetes, it is very useful to administer healing infusion from a large spoonful of grains, soaked in 500 milliliters of boiling water. They drink the product 3 times a day on an empty stomach. The infusion will not be harmful if you use it in 50 milliliters. Usage of grains is for weight loss purposes, as the beverage made from grains has a beneficial effect on the liver and provides gentle bowel movement. It allows you to quickly regulate your metabolism. Toxins, excess salt, and fluids are eliminated from the body in a short period, so the weight starts to decrease. An effective fat-burning cocktail involves grinding the grains into powder and stirring them into a glass of kefir. Small-cut cucumbers can also be added to the drink. If you combine hula hooping with a healthy diet and exercise routine, your figure will quickly become slimmer. For those grappling with bleeding disorders, introducing fennel seeds into your routine could complicate matters by slowing down blood clotting. What might seem like a minor issue could snowball into a more significant concern. In essence, it's about maintaining the delicate balance within your body without introducing unnecessary hurdles. While the benefits of fennel seeds are undeniably impressive, it's paramount to prioritize your health. If uncertainty lingers, or if you fall into these specific groups, seeking guidance from a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet is a prudent move. Your health is a precious asset, and it's crucial to approach it with the care and consideration it deserves. As we navigate through this intricate landscape of health considerations, your understanding and commitment to informed wellness decisions are appreciated. Can complicate things by slowing the blood clotting process, turning a small problem into a bigger one that keeps things running smoothly without causing further problems. Benefits, but it's important to consider your
Before we part ways, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this exploration. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me. And now, as we bid farewell to this chapter, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most intriguing? What topics would you like me to cover in future videos? Let's keep the conversation going.